Hello everyone! Since the content of the first lessons of the textbook is mainly focused on learning the greetings and the polite expressions, so the first lesson is the exceptions with no sentences structure. There are 3 things to cover in this video. Firstly, I will explain the types of post-lesson exercises in the textbook, which I will only do once. And then you need to do the exercises after each lesson. I will give you the instructions every time. And secondly, I will introduce some commonly used classroom phrases that I will frequently use in the future classes. By adding Chinese instructions in these classrooms, it will provide a better context for learning Chinese. Thirdly, we will continue learning Pinyin with the compound finals, containing the vowel of R and Pinyin combined with some initials. So let's first understand the types of post-lesson exercises in the textbook. In the Try to Speak sections, after learning words, dialogue, and the sentences structure, please select the appropriate words from the box based on the given pictures or the English sentences, and then fill in the blanks. Please note that the number of the blanks corresponds to the number of the Chinese characters. So after filling them in, I hope you can practice reading them, and the words in the box can be used repeatedly. So for the listening section, please click the audio play button on the left side in the sequence. After listening to each audio, please try to write down the corresponding Chinese pinyin and make sure you understand its meaning. And the last one is the word search section. It is a game to test your ability to recognize the Chinese characters. Please circle the corresponding words or sentences based on the pinyins given in the hints. Please note that the order of the words or the sentences is from left to right or from top to down. After completing these 3 homework exercises, you can flip to the back of the textbook to check out the answer. Now let me introduce some commonly used classroom phrases. Please look over here and read along with me. We will take it 1 sentence at a time. I will use these classroom phrases mixed with English and Chinese in the class, allowing everyone to gradually remember their meanings, so as to facilitate the creation of a better Chinese learning environment for future classes. 请看这里，请看这里 which means please look at this. 请跟我读，请跟我读 which means please read after me. 请听我说，请听我说 which means please listen to me. 请听，请听 which means please listen. 你来读一读，你来读一读 which means please read this. 你想一想，你想一想，你想一想 which means you think about it. 怎么说？怎么说 which means how to say it. How to say it. 对 对 which means right. That's right. You make it right. 错 错 which means it's wrong. It's wrong. 你做对了吗？你做对了吗？ Which means, did you make it right? Did you make it right? Next, let's move on to the Pinyin course. Let's continue learning to compound vowels containing the vowels of R and the combinations with some initials. Please follow me to do the practice. 指 I 摘指凹招指安沾指昂张尺哀拆尺凹超尺安掺尺昂昌是哀筛是凹烧是安山是昂商热凹绕热安然热昂让挤哀哉挤凹糟挤安沾挤安脏起哀猜起凹操起安参起昂苍喜哀塞喜凹骚喜安三喜昂桑一凹腰一安烟一昂央乌哀歪乌安弯 one, u, uang, wang, wang. We will read several groups of vocabulary with the active tones. Please read along with me. 拆除，拆除，塞车，塞车，弯曲，弯曲，歪曲，歪曲，宅男，宅男，灿丝，灿丝，曹操，曹操，严肃，严肃，海洋，海洋，咬住，咬住，染色，染色，太阳，太阳，让开，让开，站台，站台。So there are two parts for the homework after this video. The first part is to complete the 3 homework exercises for the lesson 1 in the textbook, including the try to speak section, listening sections, and the word search game. And the second part is to complete the Pinyin worksheet in order to reinforce the pronunciation of the compound vowels containing the vowels of R. Keep it up and see you in the next lessons.